And over this side, one sec. This third over here is what I am to you is not real. What I am to you, you do not need. You're over to you. What I am to you is not real. What I am, you do not need. Wait, one sec. And then the middle. That really high line that I can't do. That one. So that's for the middle, ready? On your own this time? Great. Okay, so we're gonna start from the beginning. So this is music, okay? So it's about feeling it. Imagine we're in a studio together and we're making a record. So you gotta feel it. It's not just. It's like we're gonna start nice and soft, and then we're gonna build, and then we're gonna build, and then it'll come down. So wait for the come down, and then it comes to a kind of a little bit of a whisper, right? So ready? So starting with Volcanoes. Volcanoes melt you down. Volcanoes melt you down. What I am to you. Volcanoes melt you down. What I am to you. Volcanoes melt you down. Volcanoes melt you down. Volcanoes melt you down. She's still too young, yeah. Volcanoes melt you down. She's still too young. She's still too young. She's still too young, yeah. Is not real. She's still too young, yeah. You do not need it louder. Still too young, yeah. Is not real. I am, yeah. You do not need. She's so okay, quiet. Kiss your mouth, you down. She's still too. Kiss your mouth, she down. What I am. Kiss your mouth, you down. She's still too. Kiss your mouth, you down. Still too young. Kiss your mouth, she's still too young. Kiss your mouth, she down. Still too young, yeah. Kiss your mouth, you down. She's still what I am, yeah. Do not need you down. She's what I am, yeah. You do not need me.